Hey, and welcome to another Glue and Make. My name is Firefighter Paul and I'm at your local fire station. Now remember, I'm on call, so if you hear the bells or my pager goes off, I've got to skedaddle because I've got a fire call. Now as you can see, it's Easter weekend and we're celebrating Easter. But before we get on with the make, I just want to thank you so much for sending in all the photographs of your makes. But please, keep them coming in. We're going to make some cool stuff today. But this is what we're going to need. We need some white pieces of paper. Of course, we need some scissors, but remember to ask a grown-up to help you. We also need some black marker pens. We need a stapler, and we also need some paint. So let's get on with the make. Well, first of all, you're going to need a piece of paper and your black marker pen because we're going to make an Easter bonnet. See if you can guess what I'm going to draw. Any ideas yet? Of course, they're a pair of rabbit ears. We're going to make a rabbit ear hat. So, what you need to do is we're going to have to make a headband. So, take a ruler and then draw around the ruler carefully. And we need to do this twice. Try and be as careful and as neat as you can be. Then, once you've done this, my rabbit is going to be white. So we can keep his ears here white, the same colour as the paper. But in here, it's normally a pink colour. So I've got some paint and I've mixed some red and white and that makes pink. So then I'm going to paint the insides of the ears pink. Now this takes a bit of time, so here's one I've made earlier. Then what you need to do is to cut it out. Remember to ask a grown-up to help you to cut these out. And remember to keep the cuts as neat as possible. Now to save a little bit of time, I've already done this. So we've got our two rabbit ears and we've got these. These are our headbands. So you want to lay one next to the other and put two staples in there. 1, 2. Then measure this bit around your head and then put 2 staples there. And then we need to put the ears on. So you take one of the ears and put it on there. And then take another ear and staple it on there. I can't wait to wear this hat to an Easter party. And hopefully when I go on my Easter egg hunt around my garden, I'll be able to find loads and loads of eggs. So what are we going to make next? How about that fella there? How about making a giant size Easter chick. I'm only joking. Why don't we make a small Easter chick? They're going cheap. First of all, you need a piece of white paper and a black marker pen. Then you need to draw an egg shape. Then draw some wings. A head for our chick. The beak. And then of course, an eye. Colour this eye in and leave a little white dot. And now for the painting, and I'm going to do this double time. So there you go, there's your Easter chick. Now you could make loads of these and decorate your house for Easter. Then, you never know, you might get loads and loads of yummy chocolate Easter eggs. But remember Holly from C19 Mini Superheroes? Her message to you is to eat healthily. So remember to drink plenty of water and have your 5 a day. My favourite 5 a day is bananas, oranges and pears, and carrots and broccoli. What's your favourite 5 a day? Well, that's all we've got time for on Glue and Make. Take care, be safe, and keep washing those hands. See you later.